Hey friends, thank you guys for watching. Today I'm sharing, can you guess, a Stitch Fix haul and review, and I'm really excited because I'm working with Stitch Fix on this video. So a huge thank you to Stitch Fix for partnering and collaborating with me on this video. I'm so honored because I've done 31 fixes, you guys. This is my 31st fix. I know I haven't shared as many videos, but I have paper. It says this is your 31st fix, and I didn't realize I did so many fixes. So I just feel really honored that I'm working with the brand because I've done so many fixes that I feel like I know the brand, and like it's amazing, and I've enjoyed the services. So if you guys are not familiar, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service. So what you do is you take a quiz and then you input your size, and you even input like how much skin or the styles that you want. Like, do you like your clothes to be tight, loose? Like, it asks all those questions. It'll figure out your style. Like, are you into the boho? Are you more edgy? It'll figure you out, and then you can give them your social media sites to see, so that they can kind of get to know who you are. Like, they can look at your Instagram, your Pinterest, if you have like a style board. They pretty much figure out your style, and then they go from there. They'll send you 5 pieces, and then when you receive your 5 pieces, you can try it on, figure out whether or not you like it. And then any of the items that you do choose to keep, if you keep all 5 of the items, you get 25% off the entire service minus the $20 that you use for your styling fee, which is amazing. I do like that the styling fee, like every time you get styled, it's $20, but you can use that $20 towards a piece that you wanted to purchase. So I do like that. And then on top of that, they now have extras. So on top of them styling you the 5 pieces, they can also mail you these things called extras, which are, extra things that you might need for your wardrobe, like socks, bralettes. So here's a video from Stitch Fix on how you guys can get your extras. So you pretty much get your extras after you place your fix order. You can add the bras, the bralettes, any extras that you need. I wanted to first show you guys the extras before I get into the 5 pieces that I got styled. So the first extra was a bra that I picked out. And the reason why I chose like this basic bra and it's nude is because like everyone needs like an everyday bra. And TMI, I'm a nursing mom, and things change a lot from a newborn nursing mom to a 9-month-old nursing mom. Like, things get smaller and they deflate, and so I just am in between bra sizes. So I'm really grateful that Stitch Fix now has, a bra, like bras and extras and things like that for me to choose, and then something that I can wear under like a t-shirt. And it's spring soon, and like it's that time where you wear like, you show a bit more skin because it's getting hotter and stuff almost. And so I got this cute little bralette, and this is by the brand, I believe it's Free People. Yeah, it's Free People, and I got the size medium, and I'm definitely gonna keep this. So with the extras, you can keep it, or if you don't want it, you can return it. And they have a pre-packaged, like they have an envelope or a bag that you get every time you get a fix, and it's already pre-labeled, and all you have to do is put it in this USPS bag. The other side has a label, by the way. And it's very easy. You just go by your post office. The other extra that I picked out is a tank top. Looks like this. It's just a nude tank top. I got a size medium, and it's just something that you can wear. I noticed that a lot of whites, I like wearing a lot of whites in the spring and in the summer, but the thing is sometimes white is sheer, so if you wear something nude, that usually will prevent everything from looking see-through, you know what I mean? That's why it's always good to have one of those. And I like that. Like, it's sometimes like an outfit is not complete unless you have the proper undergarments. Oh my gosh, and I have to show you guys something that is like totally something I do all the time. So this shapewear, it looks like this, and it's super affordable. Stitch Fix only charges like 20 bucks for this guy. Shapewear shorts you can wear underneath like a maxi dress or a dress, because sometimes it gets windy. I don't feel so bad about it being crazy windy if I feel like I have like shorts underneath. And shapewear shorts, they just smooth everything out. Like, I still got that mom belly. I haven't worked out, so just smoothing out that area, the belly area, especially for me, is like, and it just makes you look a little bit more snatched in the waist, you know what I mean? Like, and it's not uncomfortable. But here's a little advice that I have. I feel like sometimes people go a little crazy with the shapewear, but I kind of just want it for a little smoothing, and then more so like it just is like coverage for me. Like if I'm wearing like a dress, I just feel more covered up with like shapewear shorts or like any kind of shorts under a dress, and especially like a maxi, it just smooths everything out. And if you guys don't want it to be too tight, go a size up, because your correct size is going to do the compression, but if you go a size up, it'll do a little compression, but then it'll feel comfortable. And I always go a size up. That's just something that I've always done. And they even have socks for their extra services, and everything is in the extras. It costs $9.50 all the way up to $65. Of course, like the bras and stuff like that, of course they're going to cost a lot more, and then something like this would cost a lot less than a bra. The extra sizes range from extra small to 3X, so they've got a large, you know, size selection. And I also wanted to share that the extras do include free shipping, just like the Fix, and then it's also free return shipping. So now let's do the Fix, you guys. So I did tell them, you know, more about my style. I wrote down that I like, you know, casual things. I like soft fabrics. I think in my previous Stitch Fix haul, like there was a sweater that I liked, but I wanted something soft. So I think they did a really good job and took that into consideration this time around. For the first thing I wanted to share, it would be this. This is called the On the Road Farren Utility Shirt, and it's in the shade Blush. I love pink, you guys. I think they know, because like I've been doing so many Stitch Fix hauls that they know like blush is it's my favorite color to wear. Blush, black, white lately, they're like my go-to favorites. This is $74, and this is my second time wearing it within a week. I love it so much. So this for sure I'm keeping. I just love everything about it. TMI, again, since I'm still nursing, I like the whole button down, because I can just button down and then feed, you know, Jacob that way. $74 does seem a little bit more than what I usually pay for a top, but here's the thing, $20 off, you know what I mean? Like, because of the styling fee, so it's more like $54 instead of $74, and shipping was free both ways. So this I am for sure keeping, and like I actually wore this out when we went to the Science Museum, the Lawrence Science Museum. We rode on a train at the Tilden Steam Train area because it was super close. We live in the Bay Area, and comfortable. I loved it. Kept me warm. It's just a great top that I can even wear like on top of a dress. You know what I mean? Like you can tie it around and like just make it like really casual with like a casual spring summer dress. I think I'm gonna do that in the future. That's why I wanted this so bad, and I'm keeping it. And then this top, this is from the brand 9 Breton Healy Varsity Knit Top, and it's in dark gray, and it's a size small, and this one is $38. I do have to admit it's really soft. I like how it's long, because it would be great as a tunic, you know. But at the end of the day, I decided not to keep this one, just because I felt like it just doesn't fit right, and honestly it's not exactly like my style. Like, so I decided not to keep this, but I did give them brownie points for it being soft though, so good job on that. And then the price wasn't so bad. And then this, I tried this on and Justin loved it, so I think I might have to keep this guy. This one's just, and I like the color. Like I actually have a hoodie this color, and I wear it all the time. Like every time it's clean, I wear it. I don't know if you guys watch my vlogs, but it's where I talk about my DNA test results. I just love that sweater a lot. So, and this one looks similar, but a little dressier. And this one is called the Kaplan Side-Slit Detail Knit Top. It's $48, and it's by the brand Paper Moon, and it's really soft. But see, if you guys see, it's really soft, but it's also knitted, so it's a little see-through. So you're gonna need that extras, that camisole, wear it underneath, then you won't have to, you know, show too much. Or if you want, you could wear the bralette, and it'll be a little sheer, but at the same time, the bralette covers a little bit more. So I think that'd be so cute, you guys. Yeah, so this I love. It's a 3/4 sleeve, and it's really soft. I'm all about that soft life. And then I feel like for the last two, I have to show it together. But first things first, let me show you guys the dress. So the dress is called Verse Winnie knit maxi dress, light blue, and it's $54. And I have had really good experiences with their maxi dresses because I always tell them like I need it petite because I'm short. And this one, Justin was like, keep it, I love it so much. So this is the dress, you guys. It's floral print. It's like a preview for spring, right? And it's got slits on both sides. This I would probably need to get a strapless bra so I could check out StitchFix and see if in their extras if they have something like that for me to like check out. And then I thought it looked cute with this cardigan. And this cardigan, 100% for sure knew I was going to get it. Just because, like, it's just totally me. They got my style right with this. It is called, and the price isn't so bad on this one, Absolutely Off-White Textured Cardigan. And it's $44, this one. And it's a 3/4 sleeve. It has a little bit of a cuff. It's cute. It's a little sheer, so I think it's, like, the perfect lightweight spring summer sweater, like, because I'm already looking for things for spring and summer, and I think this is perfect. So totally keeping this one, you guys. So this time around I felt like they did a lot better with my fix. You guys know, like, I always tell you guys, the only thing that I was like on and off about was that top that I told you about, and then this maxi dress. Like, I think it's cute and I think the fit is really cute, but I don't know, I really like darker colors lately, like olive green maxi dresses, stripes, black. That's just like the colors that I gravitate towards lately. Or maybe it's because, you know, I had Jacob and now I'm like, let me wear dark colors if it's a dress, you know, to keep it slimming. But then I'm like, wait, I got my shapewear extras, so I think I'm good. Anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to check out StitchFix, I'll link it down below. Definitely try it. It's always fun to get styled by a personal stylist. It's just so fun to see what they come up with. And the reason why I like doing fixes, or the reason why I first did a fix, was when I had Liam. So that was like 3-4 years ago. No, not 4, because Liam's not even 4 yet. 3 years ago or so, I had Liam, and I just couldn't figure out my style. And I feel like they've really helped me because, one, I didn't have the time. I kind of just couldn't figure out timing on when and how I was gonna shop, because it just takes a while to shop, you know. So it's always so fun and easy when you're busy and you like need some help with styling. It's just such a great idea what they've done with StitchFix. Anyways, friends, definitely give it a try, and also check out their extras. It's always a good idea to have more socks, more underwear, shapewear, especially the $20 StitchFix shapewear. That one's awesome. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.